Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something's that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. is coming, yeah. Start sending your letters off to Santa. Christmas is coming, yeah. Better be nice if you want your present. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama and papa too. Christmas is coming, yeah. Staying up late looking out the window, yeah. Christmas is coming, yeah. Spotting some sleigh rides and some jingle bells. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama and papa too. Christmas is coming, yeah. Roasting some chestnuts on the fire, yeah. Christmas is coming, yeah. Celebration and surprises. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama and papa too. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Tell all your brothers, sisters, and mama and papa too. I did my best and knew just how to play my part. Together in my favorite season, let's do it for the right reason. Oh, I wish that it would never end. Christmas time on its way again. Other lovers, they may come and go. Let me tell you
Into the tunnel we go.
Turn off the flash. Abba blinded. You blinded me. It's 21 degrees. You blinded me.
I tried to turn it off.
You blinded me. What kind of husband does that to his wife?
How do I turn it off? It's supposed to be this button.
Yeah, they're supposed to be that.
No. No.
It's just too dark. I did not take pictures.
So you can't see shit right now.
This one's recording your reflection.
We're in the Moffat Tunnel. I just blinded Nora with the camera.
Blinded me. 9,272 feet. Guess I'll read the safety thing now.
Okay. I faced it down just now.
I was practicing making sure I had it the right settings.
You can have your camera back now.